Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable microphone access on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A series and it is particularly the Samsung Galaxy A54, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to allow camera access on your Samsung Galaxy A54, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down. Locate security and privacy and click on it. Once you selected security and privacy, scroll down the security and privacy page. Then locate and click on additional privacy controls. Once you click on that, locate microphone access and then enable this. Then you should see allow apps to use the microphone if they have the appropriate permission. Then go ahead and turn on that. Now, once you enable microphone access, all applications you have on your Samsung Galaxy A54 will be able to use your Samsung A54 microphone if they have the right permission, and then you're good. So that is basically how to allow microphone access on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.